Welcome to my channel, where we explore proven tips and strategies to help you maximize your productivity and achieve your goals. In this video, we're going to dive into the most effective ways to boost your productivity and efficiency. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or anyone looking to make the most of your time, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to take your productivity to the next level. The first step to improving your productivity is to develop a routine that works for you. Establishing a regular schedule for work, exercise, and other activities will help you build good habits and maintain focus. Make sure to set aside time for rest and relaxation. 2. Burning out can be a serious threat to your productivity. By sticking to a routine, you'll be able to get more done in less time and feel more energized throughout the day. Another key to productivity is to eliminate distractions. The modern world is full of potential distractions, from social media notifications to email alerts. If you find yourself constantly checking your phone or email, try setting aside specific times of the day to check them, rather than letting them interrupt your workflow. Consider using productivity tools like website blockers or time management apps to help you stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked. Procrastination is another common productivity killer. To combat it, try breaking your work down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Set achievable goals for each day, and make sure to reward yourself when you reach them. By focusing on one task at a time, you'll be able to get more done without feeling overwhelmed. If you're still struggling with procrastination, consider finding an accountability partner who can help keep you on track. In addition to staying organized and focused, it's important to take care of your physical health. Regular exercise, healthy eating, and good sleep habits can all have a major impact on your productivity. Exercise can help boost your energy levels and improve your mental clarity, while a balanced diet can provide the nutrients your brain needs to function at its best. Getting enough rest is also critical. Without it, your productivity can suffer. Finally, one of the most effective ways to boost your productivity is to constantly seek out new knowledge and skills. Keep up with the latest developments in your field, and look for opportunities to learn from others. Attend conferences, read books, and listen to podcasts to stay up to date and expand your skill set. The more you know, the more efficiently you'll be able to work. Improving your productivity is a key step to achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. By following the tips and strategies we've discussed in this video, establishing a routine, eliminating distractions, breaking tasks down into smaller steps, taking care of your physical health, and seeking out new knowledge and skills, you'll be able to maximize your efficiency and get more done in less time. Remember, productivity is a lifelong pursuit. Keep learning, growing, and striving to be your best self. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos on productivity and personal growth. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. Thanks for watching.